Hey everyone, let's make a delicious vegan white bean chili. To start, we're going to take a large soup pot and add 1 diced onion, 1 diced green bell pepper, 1 serrano pepper, also diced, and 4 minced garlic cloves. Saute with a little bit of water. I like to get them really nice and slowly browning, and I add a tablespoon of ground cumin, half a tablespoon of chili powder, and half a tablespoon of dried oregano. Give it a quick mix, and then add 1 can of green salsa, ideally low sodium. I like to add a little bit of water to the can to mix it up, swirl it, and add the rest of the sauce so nothing is missed. Add 4 cups of cannellini beans that have been rinsed and drained, either homemade or from a can, in addition to 8 to 10 cups of water depending on how large your soup pot is. Add 2 tablespoons of vegan bouillon, 1 cup of textured veggie protein, and 2 cups of cooked chickpeas. Now for our cream, instead of dairy, we're opting for cashews. We want to soak 1.5 cups of cashews overnight, add a little bit of lime juice, and blend until super smooth. We're going to add 2 cans of corn completely drained. You can use 1 can, but I like 2 because it's really sweet and it adds a really nice flavor. Add 4 to 6 cups of kale and give it a good mix. And let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes before adding your cream. I add all of it because I love a decadent, creamy, cozy soup, but you can opt to use less if you prefer. Cashews make a beautiful substitute for heavy cream, and I highly recommend you use them in your cooking, and adjust for seasoning by adding extra salt or pepper, whatever you prefer. I like to add an abundance of lime juice as this contrasts really beautifully with the flavors of the soup, and 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast for extra umami and cheesy flavor. You can add vegan cheese to this soup as well, but nutritional yeast offers a really nice healthy option where you can add as much or as little as you'd like. Pretty much then, the soup is ready to go. Once it's heated through, you can enjoy, and it pairs beautifully with some crispy tortillas on top, a little tortilla strip, or you can use chips even. This soup keeps beautifully in the fridge for about a week, and you can freeze it if you'd like to. If you guys like this content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me, and I'll see you next week.